Jerry Holland here from goCapeBreton.com. We're here doing a shop local profile on Tyler McIntyre from the Cape Breton Beard Factory. His product is available right here in downtown Sydney at the Best of Cape Breton gift shop. Tyler McIntyre, welcome.
Thanks, Jerry. Thanks for having us.
Tyler, you're a busy man. I know you are. Thanks for stopping by. Like I said, his product is available here at the Best of Cape Breton gift shop. You have a specific lineup of unique Cape Breton product based around beards, and I'm kind of growing one.
Yeah, you are. I can see that. I can see
And
that.
so basically, take me on a rundown of your product.
Yeah, well, Jerry, right now we have a line of 5 beard oils, 1 tattoo oil, mustache wax, and a custom box set. That's kind of what we're running with right now this time of year, especially for Christmas.
Oh wow! Okay,
Yeah.
so you have the 5 lines and the tattoo.
That's right. That's
Okay,
right.
so what's your first line?
Well, I'll introduce our Lewisburg Fog. Probably right now one of our more popular ones, to be honest with you.
Yep.
My personal favorite right now. Made with a sandalwood, cedarwood scent. Designed basically to condition your beard throughout the day. Give you that nice waft throughout the year, and not only that, but take care of the skin beneath. So
Oh, wow.
this is a real good product right here.
Great.
Following that one, we have our Skyline, our unscented oil. For anyone working in the professional environment, the hospitals or anything like that. Made with 4 carrier oils, jojoba oil, sweet almond, avocado, and grapeseed. This oil is sure to become one of your favorite oils. Moisturize the hair throughout the day without that scent.
Wow, and it's named after the Skyline Trail.
That's correct. That's like most of our oils, well, all of our oils and our tattoo oil kind of run on that Cape Breton theme basis, and our company name, Cape Breton Beard Factory.
Great name, Cape Breton.
Well, there we go, right? And then we're getting into our Out on the Mara. Right now, it's kind of our feature of the week, to be honest with you. We're trying to come back to a little bit of a summer feel here. It's a little hard with the snow last night, but Out on the Mara, designed again with high quality carrier oils and essential oils, kind of designed to tighten up those patchy areas, if you may. Like I said, with sweet almond oil, increase the blood flow throughout the face, thus increasing the stimulation of growth. So a super popular oil. Then we're getting into our coal miner, another one of my personal
Well,
favorites.
tell me more about that one.
Yeah, coal miner. Made with a sandalwood, cedarwood, and a tobacco leaf finish. A little bit of a stronger scented oil, probably our strongest scent, but still not overpowering by any means. Again, designed to take care of that dry or itchy skin that you may be having. Super popular, and yeah, really great oil. And then finally, for as far as our beard oils, we're getting into our last but not least, the Highlands. Again, a feature of the National Park, Cape Breton Highlands. You're going to get that woodsy, rustic tones that you're looking for, kind of woodsman, if you may. Again, great oil, super popular right now, and one that you should really try out.
Well, that's a great lineup, Tyler. Like 5 great beard oils. And you also mentioned the tattoo oil.
Yeah, this is our Lighthouse Tattoo Oil. This is a restorative, a brightening, and a rejuvenating tattoo oil. So for anybody who's recently gets a tattoo, you're going to want to throw this on directly after getting the tattoo. It's going to accelerate the healing process. Or if you have some tattoos that you got a year or 2 or 10 years ago, you're going to apply this daily, and it's going to bring back that color and make it pop a little bit more again. Great tattoo oil.
Well, what a great product line that this guy has. The Cape Breton Beard Factory. What more can you ask for? It's if you have that family member that's looking for a Christmas gift for that beard, or your father, your friend, neighbor, whoever it is. What a great Christmas gift. Now, if you don't know what to get, and you're looking for this package deal, Tyler, tell them, like, what can you get?
Yeah, Jerry, this is something we're super excited about, and something that we think is a great Christmas gift. This is our custom box sets that we do, Jerry. It comes with your choice of 2 oils, one of the 5 beard oils or the tattoo oil, our brush and our comb, and our signature button in a custom-made box.
Wow, what a great gift.
Yeah, we like to think it's a great original gift. Perfect for this time of year. If you're looking for something, and maybe if you're stuck on something, give us a call or stop down at the store here, and you pick yours up today.
Wow, that's great. And like I said, we're here at the Best of Cape Breton gift shop. You're able to get this online at bestofcb.ca. Flat rate shipping right across Canada, right across the U.S. And last but not least, Tyler, there's so many different other beard oil companies out there. What separates you from the rest?
We've been getting asked this question a lot, Jerry, and what we like to think is we are the new craft beards
There you go.
of the market.
And who doesn't like craft beer?
Right, right. So there's a story behind the product. There's a face behind the product, and like I said, we're made here locally on Cape Breton, and yeah, so we're trying to change the game a little bit as far as it goes.
Well, Tyler, thank you very much for coming here, having a great product, and shop local. This is a shop local profile. Tyler McIntyre from the Cape Breton Beard Factory. I'm Jerry Holland from goCapeBreton.com. Order yours today at bestofcb.ca, online or in person. We're down here at Bentinck Street, Sydney.